Okay, you just got through watching a video on absolute value and opposites. So let's review that just a little bit. I want to make sure you're prepared with this lesson. So if we're just going to look at integers on a number line, that's all we're going to mark on the number line. To the right of 0 are your positive integers. To the left of 0 are your negative integers. And remember, when you just watched the video on opposites and absolute value, 4 and negative 4 are opposites. But when you're looking at their absolute value, you're just thinking about how far is 4 from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. How far is negative 4 from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So they both have an absolute value of 4. Now, when you are looking at some other problems on an upcoming worksheet, you're going to be asked to represent a phrase with an integer. You're going to be given a phrase such as a loss of $10. Another phrase might say a gain of $10. So a loss of $10 would be represented by the integer negative 10, while a gain of $10 would be represented by positive 10. A loss is you are losing something, you are going in the negative. A gain, you're going more positive, you're gaining it. It is a positive thing. Losing is a negative thing in most cases. So you have negative 10 and positive 10 that are represented by those two numbers. So you will be asked to do that. You're also going to be comparing integers. So you may be asked to compare, which comparisons are less than, greater than, or equal to. So you may be asked to compare negative 4 to negative 8. Well, negative 4 and negative 8 are both negative integers, but this is where students have a harder time figuring out whether it's less than, greater than, or equal to. But negative 4 is actually greater than negative 8. I think of it as being better off to owe someone $4. I just got interrupted by one of my children, so let me say this again. I often think of times when negative 4 that you're better off owing somebody $4 than owing somebody 8. So you're better off, or you're greater than is how I think about it. The better off situation, the negative 4 is greater than the negative 8. Also, notice that negative 4 is to the right of negative 8 on the number line. So these numbers this way are greater than the ones that are this way. So if a number is more to the right on the number line, it's bigger than the other number. So if you need to look at a number line to help you with the negative numbers, know that the numbers if they're farther to the right, they're greater in the negative numbers that you're dealing with on the number line when you're comparing them. And also when you're comparing something like negative 3 to 3, think about first how many units negative 3 is from 0 on the number line. So the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So these are actually equal. The answer is not less than, because you have to think about what the absolute value of negative 3 is first, and then compare it to the 3 over here. So you've got to do that first. So just remember those things when you're getting ready to do the upcoming worksheets.